Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for always choosing to watch my videos. In case you're new here, welcome. My name is Nancy Otwani. Feel free to join the family by subscribing, sharing, liking, and commenting. So guys, today I'm back with another video. I'm doing a recipe. Guys, I'm really sorry I can't do other videos or the videos that I've been doing because I'm really busy preparing for the exams. So I decided, because these are the easiest one, like this is something I can just do even if I'm busy, right? Because it doesn't take a lot of time, a lot of so today I'm doing a recipe for preparing pork, nyama ya nguruwe. Yeah, so I'm preparing pork. So guys, first of all, this is my pork here. So the first procedure that I'm going to do, I'm going to wash this pork. So and this is my other sufuria that I'm going to use. So let me put some little water here. So the first procedure, you've seen there is some little water here. I'm washing my pork now. Wash as I put it in the sufuria, in the other sufuria. It's very important. So after doing that, I need to light my gas. So I'm lighting my gas. Why? Because at this let me just reduce the water. It's too much. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to boil the pork. So I'm boiling it. Let's boil. I'm allowing it. It's supposed to boil till the water that I've just put in should be over. So I'm just going to give it time. And because I want to give it time, let me use this to cover my sufuria. So as my pork is boiling, I have two plates here. One is for tomatoes and the other one is for the onions. I need to cut the tomatoes and the onions. Let me just wash them. Yeah, so I've washed my tomatoes here because, okay, it depends now with the amount of yani ina depend na size ya pork unataka kupika. So for my case, hii pork ni 2 people, so it's just half. So I'm going to use 2 tomatoes, and because my onion is too big, I can't use the whole of it. I'm using half. You see, it's very big. So let me cut the onions. I love when they are big. I don't like small onions. So I'm done cutting my onion. You see? So I'm going to cut my tomatoes next. So I'm also done cutting my. So I have my onion and tomatoes, and as I had told you earlier, I'm only using these 2 to prepare my pork, and we are going to see the final results. Let's go. It's starting to fry, and then most of the pork you might find it having a lot of fat, but today I'm so lucky I don't have a lot of fat in my pork. and it's because the person who sells the pork for me knows that I don't like the fat. So he's so nice, actually. He gives me the best part of it. So I'm so lucky. When your pork has a lot of fat, you don't add oil. You just, the moment it starts like it's getting dry, you don't add oil. But for my case, I must add oil because I don't have fat here. There is nothing to create fat here, so I must add my oil here. Though I have a little bit of fat, as you can see, like this one, this is fat. There is this one. Actually, when I was a kid, I used to love this part of the pork. I used to love it, but I don't know what happens when people grow up. I no longer like it. So at this stage, I'm going to add a little oil because it isn't enough. So you can add your oil. Now it depends. If you like a lot of oil, you will add more. If you like a little, then some even don't add. But for my case, I prefer adding because my meat is just plain meat. This pork isn't fatty. I'm so lucky because the fat isn't good. So you need to fry this till it turns golden brown. What I'm doing is frying. I'm frying. Let me know how you do it in the comment section. Let me know which procedure do you follow. I'm leaving it to dry. I need it as dry as possible. Yeah. I'm already starting to see some good results here. Nishaanza kuona vitu poa, like ishaanza kuturn. This is good. So at this level, I think it's already turning golden. And so what I'm going to do, I need to add some onion. I'm going to add onion so that the onion also needs to be brown, golden brown that is. So I think at this level it is okay when I put the onion. I feel so tempted. I feel like tasting, like taking a bite, Okay. I just love anything. So at this point, I'm adding my onion. This is onion. And so I need to turn to make the onion get to oil so that it's fried. Guys, as you can see, things are going on so well. Things are going on so well. When I say golden, you see how it looks like. Wow. Wow. My onions are almost getting ready. So naambiwa ukiweka chumvi mapema ukiboil pork inaweza fanya ikuwe ngumu, like isiive ikiwa soft. So siekangi yangu that early, na wekanga salt ile time nataka naeka onion. So like I put the salt comes after everything, ndio isi affect anything to do with it kuiva. So there is too much oil in there. I don't know what I need to take out some. It is too much. I don't need a lot of oil. So because I don't like a lot of oil, I'm going to reduce some oil. Guys, this is too much for my health. This is too much. Let me just reduce some. I hope I don't get burned. I'm reducing some oil. Guys, I fear getting burned. So actually, this oil that has been removed from pork, you can still use it to cook sukuma wiki or any type of veggies. So for this case, or for my case, I have my sukuma wiki right there that I'm going to use as mboga sauce. So I'll use this oil to cook the sukuma wiki. So at this point, I'm going to add my onion. I've just added onion in here. No, tomatoes. Oh, I'm really sorry, guys. I've added my tomatoes. And this is the time I also add salt. So this is my salt here. Let me add. I don't want it to be. Yeah, so I've also added salt, and to allow my tomatoes to be ready or to get, get that taste, I'm going to cover my sufuria. The steam is very important. Inasaidia iyo nyanya kubondeka. So cover your sufuria always after putting in the tomatoes. Cover it to allow the steam make tomatoes kuiva, right? So I'm just waiting for my tomatoes who are ready. Then my pork will be ready. So, what do you serve your pork with? For my case, I have always known pork to be eaten along with ugali. I don't know, but mimi napenda pork ikiwa na ugali. I hear some people eat it with rice. I don't know. That's your opinion, right? So in the comment section, let me know, what do you think should be served along with pork? Let me know what you think, what you suggest, what you do. And I think it's ready. Let me just take a bite. So sweet. So here, my pork is ready.